What's up, Team Germ? Guys, I think I found a pair of sneakers which I'll rate 10 out of 10. Oh my god. After that, at the end of the video, there's gonna be 2 giveaways. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's start! What's up, Team Germ? So in the last video I showed you 4 new pairs of sneakers, and today it's this baby's turn. The first time I seen this pair of shoes is on Adidas Originals Instagram. At first I probably didn't really get what they are trying to do with this pair. It's actually a new silhouette. Probably a lot of you that follow the sneaker scene already know what sneakers this is. There's probably a few campaigns out there already, but this is gonna be my first pair of it. Recently the trend of sneakers is to have the sneakers really like chunky, like, you know, like clunky, like thick, like THICC, and this pair I think it's mucho bella. Let's unbox it together. It's so tight. See? Thick. Joseph Germani. That's me. This pair is called the Adidas Profeer? Profeer? I don't know. I think it's Profeer. Prophecy, Profeer. Woo! It's lit AF. I really like the silhouette. I really like the thickness of these 3 stripes and the chunkiness of the whole pair of sole. Although this is not boost, alright? I have the brown, I'll just call it the brown version, because there's a couple of colorways out there. Obviously there's always more beautiful colorways for female. I'll show you guys right here what colorways are available. This is the key color for the male's one, Adidas Profeer. I like this part. This part actually reminds me of Adidas EQT 9317, the one with the boost. So I think one of the things that I really like about this pair of shoe is how thick the sole is. So it comes in a brown military green colorway, which I really like. And actually when you look properly into the stitches, right here, the colors, right, the threads, as you can see, like there's different colors. There's a brown, there's a dark green color, and there's green as well, which makes it a fade of the military camo colorway. I like the orange. That is a very popular color right now. So you guys already know I'm rating this pair 10/10 because when I saw this pair, when I saw how people wear this pair of sneakers with their outfits, I'm like, oh my god, it's so lit, it's so cool. So I just tried it on, and for those people who are interested to get this pair of sneaker, right, always get your true size. So if you usually buy US 11, just go ahead and pick US 11. It's a little bit loose on me because this is actually US 11 and a half, but I think it's fine. I can wear thick socks with it. I think I just fell in love with this silhouette. You guys can let me know what you guys think of this pair of sneakers at the comment section below, but if you rate these sneakers below 8, I'm gonna unfriend, block you on whatever social media that I have. I'm just kidding. Alright guys, I think I'm done unboxing this pair of sneakers, which means now it's giveaway time! So for this video, I'm gonna give away 2 Adidas jackets. So 2 of you can actually win, you know, besides, because the last giveaway I only give 1 prize for the giveaway. So number 1 is Adidas Nigo jacket. So this is the first one, the black jacket. And the second giveaway is dark blue gray Nigo Adidas jacket. These are the 2 giveaway items for this video. Joseph, how do I enter the giveaway to win the jacket? I'm glad you asked. Step 1, give this video a thumbs up. Step 2, comment down below which Adidas jacket that you want to win and why. Step 3, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Step 4, go to my Facebook page, find the link that I post of this video, and click share and share it on your Facebook wall. And you're done! I will announce the winner on my Instagram story, so follow my Instagram. My Instagram is @JosephGermani, and that's it. Bye bye! See you in my next video. Yeah buddy! But